Hello everyone, my name is Durga and I welcome you all in Vehicle Academy. So today I came with a new topic and very interesting topic, that is a comparison between India and China automobile industry. I'll tell you all the details about India and China automobile industry. I'll tell you how much productions are going in China and India also, and which country is on top and which country is on fourth, fifth, and all that we'll be discussing about all these details in this video. So first of all, I'll tell you about the China. China is the country which manufactured highest range of the car and highest number of the car, and those cars are known as passenger cars and commercial cars, or normally we can call it as a vehicle. China used to produce almost 25.7 million vehicles, and those vehicles are passenger vehicles and commercial vehicle as well. And now I'll show you how many countries are there according to their production number. So China is on the top, United States on the second, Japan is on third, Germany is on fourth, and India is on fifth. So China is on first and India is on fifth. So now you can make a comparison between these two countries very easily. So China used to manufacture almost like uh, there are two types of vehicle you can see here. In light blue there is a car, passenger car, and in dark that is your commercial vehicle. So the China, in the first case, China used to manufacture almost like 4.8 something in commercial, 4 point something, 4 point something you can call 4.5 something in commercial vehicle. In million we are talking about million, 4.5 million in commercial, and almost like 21 point something in your passenger car. So we'll be coming on a exact uh, counting, like exact calculation also, like how much car used to produce by China either in passenger cars or in commercial car. And like the same you can see in India also, it's almost like commercial vehicle is almost 1 point something, 1.3 million, and passenger vehicle is almost like 4 point something. So if you'll calculate together, then it will come 4.5 million. Alone the passenger vehicle will be approximate 3.2 million, right? We'll be coming in detail once we'll come on each country. So let's see the world scenario, like world statistics, and after that we'll be coming by one country on China, and then we'll be coming on India. So worldwide production, if you'll see, so there are 92 million car has been produced till now. So if you see, there are three countries like China, Germany, and Japan. They are the highest car producer company. They'll be producing n number of the car in a decade. So if you talk about China, China is having a company that is called Shanghai General Motor Company Limited. So this company basically, it's a collaboration of General Motors and SAIC Motor Corporation Limited. They used to manufacture highest range of the car for China. And if you'll see the worldwide statistics, so you can see from 2000 to 2020 till now 92 million car used to produce. You can see here, this is the point of 92 million in 2019. You can see the graph. The graph is going to be up and down according to the financial year. And if you will see the details about the China now, so production of cars in China from 2009 to 2019, it's almost 21.36 million. These are the passenger car which has been produced by China in 2019, and commercial vehicles has been produced almost like 4.36 million. That is commercial vehicle. These vehicles are produced by China. The number has been given itself, and a part of it, like every fourth passenger vehicle in the world has been produced in China. It means that they are having passenger car almost like 21.36 million. It means they are having their share in international market almost 28%. It means that one fourth, like one fourth almost. So every fourth passenger vehicle in the world has been produced in China itself. If you'll see the production cars in the China from 2009 to 2019 in 1000 units means easily we can call it in million as well. So this light blue color is mentioned here, it is a for passenger car, and dark blue one is for commercial vehicle. So you can see in 2019 almost like 21 million, you can see here 20 apart nearby 21 million passenger car used to be produced in China. And if you'll see the commercial, so commercial also it's almost 4.5 something, 4.3 million passenger, 4.3 million commercial vehicle used to produce from 2009 to 2019 in China. And apart of it, like if you will see the China's share in international uh, global production of automobile vehicle, so you'll be able to see here it's a 28% almost. That's what I said, like one fourth market has been captured by China itself. And apart of it, if you'll see the hybrid cars and electrical vehicle or fuel cell vehicle, so China used to manufacture almost like 2,20,000 vehicle that are hybrid vehicles, electric vehicles, or you can call fuel vehicle, fuel cell vehicle. So this is the graph again, you can see here, this is the statistics. You can see like battery electric vehicle is here, and you do have plug-in hybrid vehicle and fuel cell vehicle. Now if you'll see the number of units and number of production here, so according to the financial year in 2019, you can see it's almost like uh, here you can find it like near about in 2019 it's almost uh, 10 lakhs, right? It's almost 10 lakhs in uh, 2019. And like the same commercial vehicles are also there, or you can say that plug-in hybrid electric vehicles are also there. It's almost like 2,50,000. So you can see like 10 lakhs almost, it's production of battery electrical vehicle, and 2,50,000 almost for plug-in hybrid vehicle that is produced in China from financial year 2013 to 2019. And if you'll see the car production in China, that is increased to 20 lakh 45,446 units to 16 lakh. Uh, Actually, it's increased from 16 lakh 94,000 to 20 lakh 45,446 units. So you can see the graph as well, it's given here. So this is all about China. Now I'll show you about India. So the production volume of vehicles across India from financial year 2011 to 2025 segment in millions. So I'll show you in millions all the details of Indian production of automobile industry. So if you'll see in India, so in India basically the two-wheeler used to produce on highest range. You can see like there are approximate 21 million unit car used to produce in India in financial year 2011 to 2020. Bike used to produce 21 million. In China, they used to produce nearby 21 million, that is passenger car. So in India, like the same, how much China is producing a car, the same amount India is producing the bike. If you see the passenger vehicle, so in passenger vehicle, India used to produce 3.4 million units in 2020 itself. And again, if I'll tell you about Indian automotive industry, so it's like fourth largest automotive industry in 2017, and in 2020 India went on fifth position. Before in 2017 it was on first position. Over 21.5 million vehicles were sold domestically. So in India, like domestically market is also very big. Now I'll show you the graph, by that you will be able to understand it easily. So in this graph we do have financial here, financial year here on the x-axis, and on y-axis we do have production volume in millions. So there are some variety of vehicles has been given here, like two-wheelers, three-wheelers, passenger vehicle and commercial vehicle. In a single financial year, if you talk about 2020, so in 2020, India used to produce 21.04 million car, that is to 21.04 million bike actually, and 1.13 million three wheelers and 3.43 million passenger vehicles, and commercial vehicle are like 0.75 commercial vehicle. These all details are in millions. So these are produced in financial year 2020. So India used to produce 21.04 million two-wheelers. You can see here once again I'm telling you 21.04 million two-wheeler India used to produce. Now, if you will see the passenger vehicle in India, so the passenger vehicle in India from financial year 2014 to 2020 in million, we can say like 3.4 million passenger car has been produced in India, and the compound annual growth rate of registered motor vehicle stood at 10.1%. So in India, basically, the company which manufactured highest range of the car, that is Maruti Suzuki. So I'll show you about the company. Now, which company used to manufacture highest range of the passenger car? So Maruti Suzuki had the leading share at about 51% in the passenger car market across India in fiscal year 2020. So if you'll see the financial year 2019, this graph is basically of 2019 itself. So in 2019 you can see like 51.22% share is of Maruti Suzuki in Indian passenger car market, and another followed by Hyundai Motor India, and some other companies also there. Some other companies are also there. You can see the name of company has been given here according to the percentage as well. So it's very easy to categorize like which company used to manufacture highest range of passenger car. Now if you'll see the exact accounting of your passenger car, so you can see here Maruti Suzuki on the first rank, and Hyundai is on second, Mahindra and Mahindra is on third, Tata Motors is on fourth. Basically, in passenger car, Tata Motors is on fourth, but once it comes in commercial vehicle, then Tata Motors come on first. So these are the company name. According to that, like we do have here financial year 2019 2018 as well, and the number of passenger vehicle has been produced by Maruti Suzuki in 2019. It is 17 lakh 29,826. From 2018 to 2019, there were some growth like 5.0, 5.25% growth were there. So this is all about your Indian market of passenger vehicle. Now I'll show you commercial vehicle details about India itself. Now if you'll see share of goods vehicle in total operating vehicle fleet in India from financial year 1951 to 2017. So it's almost like 4.8% uh, accounted till now. So market share of commercial vehicle across India in financial year 2019 by manufacturer. Commercial vehicle, as I've told you, like Tata Motors share across India is 44%. Total sales volume approximate 22,000 unit. If you'll see this image, you'll be able to understand like this area exactly covered by Tata Motors, which is like 44.2% has been produced by Tata Motors alone, and some other companies are also there like Mahindra and Mahindra is there, and Force Motors Limited is there, Ashok Leyland is there. So these company used to produce not passenger car actually, they used to produce commercial vehicle uh, approximate in high range in India. Now if you'll see the exact financial year, and if you'll see the exact number of vehicle, if you need to see like Tata Motor is on top in commercial vehicle, and then followed by Mahindra and Mahindra, third is Ashok Leyland. And if you need to see the production in financial year 2018, it's a 4,48,629, and the growth you can see from 2017 to 2018 it is 30.76%. So these are the details about commercial vehicle produced in India. Now I'll show you like export volume of passenger vehicles from India between financial year 2015 and 2020. Means the exported, like how much car India has been sold out to other countries exactly. So these are almost like 677,000 exactly India has been exported in 2020. That is all passenger car. If you talk about passenger vehicle domestically produced, so it's almost 3 million produced domestically. And if you need to see more details about automobile industry, please be with us. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and please follow us on Instagram. And if you do have any query and question, please mention in comments. Thank you very much for watching the video.